Hello miners, Rusty coming at you. Have today in front of me 3 different Rough Rider trappers. This is the all stripe, this is the bolster stripe, and this is the Sawcut. Brown bone on all of them. Just kind of going to kind of display those for you, point out some differences. In the video on the all stripe, I think it was, I talked about this green that forms on there. You know, these knives could be 20 plus years old. This one's such an old model. I think, what the heck is the number on this one? Yeah, 474. So in my opinion, that would have come out before these other two. What do we got here? 1560. And I'll let you guys take a peek at the ooh, nice snap on that. Okay, where are we? Okay, 18. So these are in order in terms of model number. I don't know in terms of production, but we'll take a peek. What we're looking at here, the way that the blades, you know, we got a little change in the clip points over the years. I do believe these will all be built on the same frame. This one feels a little heavier. Taking a peek at that. We got the fancy bolsters, they're called fluted here. So get this one out of the way. Take a peek at those blades. Take a peek. These ones appear to be very similar. So half stop on this newer model. We'll get the spey blades open. Okay, better close these up here. Okay, no half stop on this. And I have videos out on all of these for you guys to check out, but that's what we're looking at here. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. I'm in a park and we had some people here that kind of had their own thing going on. So let's take a peek what we got going here. You guys can check those out, and I'll close these up. Half stop, really nice. And we'll take a peek. Very much to me, very much the same frame. Could it be? Yeah, they look about the same there. And yep, and all very well done. So okay guys, that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for joining me. Catch you on the next one.